Hello kids, I hope you all are doing well. In today's English class, we are going to study grammar topic that is modals. What are modal verbs? We are going to study in this video. Let's do the mind mapping first. May, might, will, would, can, could, shall, should. Are these tenses? Are they auxiliary verbs? That you will get to know in the further video. Let's move further. Modal verbs. Modal verbs are special kind of helping verbs and it helps the main verb to express the mood of the subject and at the same time it express the possibility or indicate possibility, persuasion, ability, willingness, etc. Possibility means chances of happening something. It might happen. Ability means able to do something. Willingness means with the will of doing something. And certainty means state of being completely sure about something. Certain examples are can, could, will, would, may, might, must, should. My kids, these are the certain examples of modals, but we are going to study its usage also. Read the sentence given below. Raman can study hard for his exams. If we translate it in Hindi, Raman अपने एग्जाम्स के लिए मेहनत कर सकता है. So it is showing the ability. Ability means able to do something. Raman is able to study hard for his exam. It is his ability. We should respect our elders. हमें बड़ों की रिस्पेक्ट करनी चाहिए. It's our duty that we should respect our elders. I will come to your home today. It is certainty, surety that I will come to your home today. मैं आपके घर आऊँगा या आऊँगी. It is certainty और surety कि action होगा ही होगा. You must eat healthy food. आपको हेल्दी फूड खाना चाहिए. नेसेसिटी, इट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट. नेसेसिटी मीन्स इम्पॉर्टेंट दैट यू मस्ट ईट हेल्दी फूड. माई किड्स, every sentence is expressing something. First sentence is expressing ability, second is expressing your duty, third one is expressing surety, and fourth one is expressing necessity. So my kids, these modals express the manner and the mood of the action that is going to happen. Okay, now I will explain something to you. Now look at the moods expressed by the modals. First is suggestion. Suggestion means to suggest something or someone. Permission, to take permission. Possibility means it might happen, it might not happen. Possibility, it can happen or it cannot happen. Prohibition means prohibit someone, मना कर देना or something. Promise means surety of happening of an action. Action होगा ही होगा. Advise means सलाह देना. Request means अनुरोध करना और आग्रह करना. Request, can I borrow your pencil please? In this I am requesting someone. Okay kids, these are certain moods expressed by the modals. Now we are going to study the modals and its usage. Look at the sum of the modals. Can, could, must, have to, should, would, will, shall, shan't, won't, wouldn't, wouldn't means would not, shouldn't, don't have to, must not, couldn't, can't. These are some of the modals, and now we are going to learn the usage of these modals. Look at the first modal, may. May God bless you. It is used to wish someone. For example, I am saying, may you have a prosperous life. I am wishing someone. Wishing means to wish someone, like may God bless you, may you succeed in life. That you call in Hindi Ashirwad Dena, right? Second, it is used for possibility. She may not be at home. वो अपने घर नहीं हो सकती. और you can say she may not be at home. हो सकता है वो अपने घर ना हो. She can be at home. She cannot be at home. Possibility means action. It can be possible or it cannot be possible. Or second sentence I can use, I may come to your home today. मैं आपके घर आज आऊँगा. तो action can be happen or it cannot be happen. So possibility means it can be happen or it cannot be happen. Next is might. Might is the past tense of may. You might know him. तुम उसको जानते होगे. Tia might the pass examination as she has done hard work. My kids, this is possibility in which action is already being done. For example, I am saying you may secure first position as you have performed well. आपने अच्छा परफॉर्म किया है, हो सकता है आपको फर्स्ट पोजीशन मिले. तो इन दिस एक्शन इज ऑलरेडी बीइंग डन. एक्शन हो चुका है, बट पॉसिबिलिटी इज it can happen or it cannot happen. Okay, my kids, might is used for the possibility in which action is already being done. Okay, next is must. You must not have a spicy food. To give a strong order, जब हम strong order देते हैं, you must come to school on time. I'm giving order, right? You must start early or you can't reach the fort before noon. आपको जल्दी शुरू करना चाहिए, नहीं तो आप दोपहर से पहले नहीं पहुंच पाओगे. Necessity means importance. When we highlight the importance, for example, I'm saying you must study hard as your exams are approaching. And it is important in this sentence कि आपके exams आ रहे हैं, तो you have to study hard. Necessity means highlighting the importance. Okay, next is can. It is used for request. Can you pass the salt please? When we request someone, can you pass me the book please? So I'm requesting. And secondly, it is used for ability that I have told you. Ability means kabiliyat. Okay, like I'm saying Sheena can perform well in her competition. शीना अपने competition में अच्छा perform कर सकती है. That is her ability to perform well. Ability to do something or something that can happen. Okay, sorry, so ability means able to do something. Okay, next is could. I could use internet. It is past ability that you could have shown. Like for example, I'm saying I could have studied well. मैं मेहनत कर सकता था. That was your past ability. Okay, or I can say Raman could have had done well. रमन अच्छा कर सकता था. That was his past ability. Okay, next it is used polite request. Polite request means requesting someone very politely. Could you please help me? क्या आप मेरी मदद कर सकते हैं? So it is used for polite request. Okay kids, next is shall. Shall is used to ask question. Shall I keep the juice ready? क्या मैं जूस रेडी कर दूं? Shall I come to your house? When we question someone, we use shall. Next is when we announce something that is definite, means it is going to happen. वो होगा ही होगा. Like we shall be landing in Delhi in 15 minutes. हम 15 मिनट में will be landing in Delhi. In this we are getting an idea that it is going to happen surely. For example, I am saying I shall come to your class in 6th period. I am announcing something that will surely happen. कि मैं आऊँगी ही आऊँगी. Okay, so my kids, shall is used to question someone and announce something that is definitely going to happen. Okay, next is should. You should be punctual. Now I'm not forcing you. I'm not giving you a strong order. I'm advising you. That is called salah dena. For example, you should respect your elders. It's your duty, obligation that you should respect your elders. Now I'm saying you should wear neat and clean uniform. I'm advising you. Like I'm saying you should use sparkle pens for your project. I'm not forcing you. I'm not giving you strong order. I'm advising you. मैं आपको सलाह दे रही हूँ that you can use your sparkle pens for your project. So my kids, should is used for giving advice. Next is probability. He should be in his class by this time. वो अपनी क्लास में होगा इस समय. Probability means it can happen, it cannot be happen. You can call it possibility. Okay. वो it is used for probability also, for possibility also. Next is will. I will give you my book. Promise means surety कि it will happen, it is going to happen. Like for example, I am saying children will come to my home at 5 p.m. There is surety that children will surely come at 5 p.m. So my kids, will is used to indicate promise or surety. Will is also used to talking about the future active. Will you be there and park at 9 o'clock? क्या पार्क में होंगे 9 बजे? It is talking about the future action that is going to happen. Okay, like I'm saying, will you be at my home at 9 a.m.? क्या आप मेरे घर पर 9 बजे होंगे? So my kids, will is also used to talk about future active, that is action that is going to happen surely in future. Till now we'll study till will. In next class we are going to cover other modals. I hope it is clear to you. If you face any query, you can ask me. Thank you, kids.